Your girl is getting a new puppy today. What's up, guys? Happy Sunday. Welcome back to another day of the vlog. So y'all, I am sitting here now. It is a mess in here. I got shit everywhere. So yeah, I can tell y'all now, your girl is getting a new puppy today. So I'm just trying to get everything set up. I just got finished recording the puppy haul, so that will be up soon. It is everywhere. So now I'm trying to figure out where the hell we gotta put all this puppy stuff at in this house. But yeah, I'm excited, y'all, and I'm scared. I'm nervous because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing with no dog.
I remember when we started texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good. I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up. Boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the areas, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga. I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother hoes wasn't about you. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it.
I'm scared. Now I know it's gonna be before then, but I know, you know, in the beginning of the first month, it's gonna be a little stressful. You're gonna have your moment, and my nerve factor right now is because you about to come on, and it's in the phase where we have to be the most patient with. So,
Yeah.
you know, but I know that you got the will to, you know, kind of overcome all of this. Because I've seen you in worse situations. You know what I'm saying? But
You know what I'm saying
right
again?
now, yeah, got that pop. Now you get
You used it, amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? Now you look so stupid, and it's so amusing.
Oh, so cute. So
You're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it.
This is the setup that I have for the puppy right now. This is his playpen area. So I have his dog food bowl, his bed, toys, and the bathroom area right here. Also, his crate is right here, all set up, but this is going upstairs in the bedroom. His carrier right here already and set up with everything that I'm about to take with me to go pick him up. So I just have in here 2 toys, a roll of napkins, one of his throw blankets. I'm going to take that to go and pick him up, and then I have his portable water bottle sitting in the refrigerator with water and ice cubes, so we'll grab that on the way out. And yeah, this is the setup for when he come in, just to get him acclimated to the new space so he won't be overwhelmed and I won't be overwhelmed. We can keep some type of control over him, see how much he knows right now as far as potty training and everything, get used to the house. I'm nervous, y'all, but the show is about to start and it's no turning back now. So let's go get the baby.
Hang on the mistletoe. I'm gonna get to know you better. This Christmas, and as we trim the tree, how much fun!
I got my baby. He's so shaky. Can y'all see him? Say Hi, baby. Come on, mommy, want to get you home. So now seatbelt on. Hey, hi, baby.
Alright. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Cause the rain is coming. Be still, baby. Hey, what's happening? Hi, baby. Hi, your baby. Hi, your baby. You're so cute. And you're way smaller than I thought you was gonna be too. Yeah, y'all look way bigger in that video. Hi. Come here, let mom wipe your face. Look at you. It's okay. Come. Come here. Come on. You're okay. Come here. Let me see. Let's wipe them. Yeah, we gotta wipe them off. Child, spit up, mom. I was so car sick. Just wipe that baby. There you go. You're okay. See, I got a little car sick on the way here. Look. What's in there? Look.
One little love, I see your eyes, wide like an ocean. When you look at me, so full of my emotions, I'm finding it hard to be here in the city. I know you feel lost, it's my fault completely. I don't recognize myself in the coldness of the daylight, so I ain't surprised you can read all of my lies.
This is Onyx. We've been home now, I guess about a good 30-40 minutes. So he's sitting on the top of his bed. He did have one accident in the playpen like as soon as we came in. So y'all see he just laying down now. So I'm just letting him get comfortable. I'm your mom. And I don't know what I'm doing. But I want to love you. And I want to take good care of you, okay? You know that? Yes. Yes. It's me and you, bud. Me and you. I'm tired. It's been such a long day, Mom. It's been a long day for you. It's been such a long day, Mom. You're in a new place. I don't know what's going on. But you're not shaking no more. Yeah. You're so cute. You're so cute and teeny. You're just so teeny. What am I going to do with you? You're so little. Not in mom's face. Not in mom's face. We a black dog. We don't do that. I know. Oh, yeah, you love me? Show me the love. Show your mom the love. I know. I see how small he is. Look. So teeny. Say hi. So small. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good job. Come on. Good job. Come on. Come. Come on. Come. Come on. You can do it. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Yeah, you got out. Did you get out? Hi. Hi. Here. Look what mom got. But Onyx went over and he went potty. Good boy. Say good boy, Mom. I went potty on the paper. Good boy. So update on Onyx. He is back in his crate. I did take him out and he went to use the bathroom on his pad. He's not going like on the little, he's not going like on that part. He just keep on peeing on this part right here, as you guys can see. I held him for a little bit and yeah, he's back in his crate. So I done set up, I'm gonna actually sleep down here on the couch with him tonight instead of leaving him by himself or trying to move this crate tonight. I just want to keep him in this warm room and let him get comfortable. He still hasn't eaten or drinking anything, so hopefully within the next couple of hours when he gets up or by the morning he will. But I'm about to try to take me a little snooze while he is sleeping or chilling right now. So.
Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros for the immunity. Can't beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let outdo me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, guys in order. This shit ain't got serious, the meetings come plural. I'm leaving by morals, we swiping and keeping no word. Explorer, I'm young and I'm turned, I got pictures galore. My baby mom will cost 250, I'm spurting. Got 5 million cash just in case if you merging. My young niggas still get away, they be virgin. It happen like this, I ain't do it on purpose. I'm working my move, nigga, who for you working? I turned on my coupe, bought a coupe off of verses. I'm tired of these strippers, I'm going at nurses and doctors and dentists. You started, I finished, I told you we with it. My
Onyx has finally started eating and drinking. Oh, little boy. See, he's now drinking his water. I'm so excited, y'all. He ate all his food now. So I gotta monitor him for the next 30 minutes so he can use the bathroom. He looking for more food. Let me give him a little bit more food. He's only get a little bit. So it is 3:22 a.m. This is the current situation. He was whining. I let him out to go pee. Or he went potty. He sees me. I don't know if he think it's playtime or what, but I'm about to get him and pop him right back into this crate. You're okay. You're okay. Relax. No. No. Go potty. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. You go potty. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Good boy. Hi, boy. Good morning. So here is me and Mr. Onyx. This is after our first night together. He woke up about 20 minutes ago. So you guys saw I took him out, let him use the restroom, and gave him his water and something to eat. So yeah, here he is. Just got finished his breakfast. So I'm getting ready to set him down for a second in his crate, let his food settle, and then pull him back out because I know he's probably going to use the bathroom in a moment. I just wanted to give him a little bit of love and cuddles before I put him back in. This is my baby, y'all. But he got me tired. This is literally like having a newborn baby. This is how I am working at the moment. Just letting him sit on my lap for a little bit. Say, because I was fussy in the playpen, right? Because I didn't see Mom. He's spoiled already.
Back in.
Come.
I went to dinner. That was nice.
Nope.
Good time. My food was amazing. Those wings,
Go potty.
if you are in the wings,
Go potty.
they are so good. It's an apple. I'm gonna drive Kevin's car because he needs an oil change and can't just let that car.
Good boy. Good boy. Go potty. Good boy. Good boy. So I caught him, y'all. Y'all see that little dot right there? He was almost about to try it. So I stopped him. So let me get this crop up.
Girl, you now that I need you. Couldn't find you anywhere. When you broke down, I didn't leave you.
What? Why is you fussing? You so clingy. Come on. It is now 4:08, so in about what 10-15 minutes I would officially have him for a full 24 hours, and I feel like it too. I've been up every 2 hours throughout the night with him as if he was a newborn baby. Look at this man want to keep whining. Just come on in here if you want to come eat, y'all. So it is 8:15 and I just gave Onyx his last meal for today. So this is my baby after our first 24 hours together. We have made it. Y'all know where my mouth look. I look crazy as hell. This is 24 hours in the life of being a new fur baby mom. And yeah, it's been real. But we made it. We made it. And I've done so good with Mom. See, I'm so spoiled and clingy to her already. I'm giving him a little bit of time so he can get ready to use the bathroom. And then we're going to head upstairs to my room for the night, for night 2. So we're going to try to transition over to where we'll be actually sleeping there every night. The man's falling asleep. Well, she probably fall asleep on camera. I told y'all, he's so tired. I tried to like keep him up more today. You know, playing with him, being more active and stuff with him today. So hopefully, like I said, he sleeps better tonight. But as y'all can see, my man is worn out.